We have to wait and watch.
I'll do them all, so I'll show you what his reaction is for each one.
We just keep our fingers crossed over the nose and see whether she has withstood treatment without any
Even for quick.
We're Jigsaw time. So we've got
What's his
called?
name?
Great Big Who.
Great Big Who. Like Liam, Great Big Who. Liam, Great Big Who.
Okay, what's the next one? What is
Great
Liam
Big
want to
Who.
demolish Great Big Who? Okay.
He's got a rainbow on his face.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, and then the next one is Chickadee and Chick.
Cool.
This one has got, so the first one had 2 pieces, this one has 3 pieces.
Now, the reason Finley's not involved is because he's sleeping. So we've got
Can't find it.
Big Sister
I found it. Liam's sitting on it.
and Liam spending some jigsaw time together.
Look, Great Big Who and Toodaloo. Look, Liam, Great Big
Chickadee.
Who and Toodaloo. Great Big Who and Toodaloo.
Chickadee. And what does Liam then do? Liam
Dismantle.
pulls it apart.
And then the next one we have has 4 pieces. So this one's of Toodaloo.
Toodaloo. Great Big Who and Toodaloo. Liam, are you going to help your sister? She's doing all the hard work here.
Look, yeah, because look, see if I put it in front of him, he just dismantles it.
You do it? Oh, you're trying.
Yeah, see?
Oh.
No, wait.
Yeah, he gets a bit frustrated because he's not sure where they go.
He's not sure what to do. He's just going to have to watch more experienced people do it before he can...
Oh, is that your head?
I know!
Oh no. So who do we have here?
Toodaloo.
Right, let's see Toodaloo.
Toodaloo. Wait, I need to
Oh,
put the
very
last-
professional,
No, wait,
very
wait.
professional.
I know, wait. Well, we've already done that one, Liam, and then you took it apart. Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Yeah,
Now,
oh.
if anyone's wondering why Evie's at home today, it's because she's off school unwell. She's got a really sore throat. So we've been at the doctor's this morning. So, yeah.
Okay, the last one. This one has 5 pieces, and you guys are gonna have to guess which one this is. Wait, I think Liam's sitting on it. I can't.
Oh no! What have we lost?
We need 2 pieces.
What, another yellow piece?
No, I think I'm sitting on it.
That one?
There we go. Okay, so which character is this?
Is that not a Great Big Who and Chickadee and Chick? What is he called? He's the
I
little
just told you before we done this.
Great Big Who. No, Great Big Who to the Chickadee and Chick.
But wait,
What's-
you'll have to wait until
What's
once
he
it's
called
finished.
again? Peekaboo! He's Peekaboo!
I know.
What? Good boy! Are you giving Evie the parts?
We've already done
The
that one.
pieces? And Finn's still sleeping.
Oh, I think I know where this goes. This goes? No. Oh, I know what to do. I know where it goes. No! 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 This goes here. No. This goes here. And then this goes on top. No!
How are we getting on with... Oh... Oh,
Wait.
doesn't seem to want Peekaboo to be...
Literally, it's not.
Go Evie, go!
Oh no, wrong way again.
Are you helping Liam?
And then.
You helping Evie?
Yes.
Alright, can we hold it up? Oh. Yay! All Jigsaw's done. Oh, big hugs. Oh.
He's just trying to find the piece he just threw.
Bye!